So let's say we have the equation x squared minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we just know that the roots are a and b. And the question wants us to find the sum of the roots squared. So a squared plus b squared. So yeah, the sum, this is a sum, and the roots are both squared, okay? So how can we find this? We know that through Vieta's formulas, we can get some stuff. So we know that the product of the roots, AB, by looking at the equation, we know it's 2. And we know the sum of the roots, a plus b, is just 4. So this should help us solve for this. So from here, like we're gonna think, we don't have we have AB, we have a plus b, but we don't have this. So how can we kind of get that how we want? So it turns out that if we take a plus b squared, right? So first of all, let me just rewrite this a little. So let's start ab is equal to 2, and a plus b is equal to 4. Right? A plus b is 4, ab is 2. So what is this? This is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? It's not exactly equal to the left side, but it's close. We'll make it equal to the left side if we subtract the 2ab, right? If we subtract the 2ab, then it cancels out, and we have a squared plus b squared on this side, and we have a squared plus b squared on this side. So essentially, this is a true fact. And it's because, you can just FOIL it out and you will see that it works. But the reason that this is so important is because now we can use the pieces of information we have and we can just plug them in and we can solve for what they want, right? So, again, you don't really have to memorize this. You just kind of have to see how can we take something we don't know, like we cannot do, and how can we break it up into something that we do know, right? So it actually works out that we can take this, which we know, and then subtract this, which we also know, and we can get something we don't know. Alright, so what is a plus b? A plus b is just 4, right? So it'll just be 4 squared. 4 squared and minus 2. And what's a times b? 2, right? And so this will be 16 minus 4, which is just going to be equal to 12. And there you go. The answer is 12. A squared plus b squared. So we found the roots squared, the sum of them, with taking something we don't know, making it something we do know.